In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. Let's get started. First, go to your Facebook app and simply click Create Story and choose Music. Now in here, we will have two options. If in your phone, this music is not working, it seems to have a problem. Our first option is you need to check if your Facebook application is up to update or it's already updated. Go to App Store and search for Facebook. Now, if it is updated already and still not working, you might have to delete your Facebook app and install it again. Now, just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.